Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm going to show you my tier list for car manufacturers. So these are all the car manufacturers we are going to make in this list. So let's start. So this is Renault, Meh, Subaru, I like it. Kia, I like. Mini, love. Land Rover, love. Volvo, love. This like Cura, meh. Tesla, love. Audi, love. Bentley, love. Bugatti, love. Lexus, love. This like Chrysler, like McLaren, love. Ferrari, love. Fiat, meh. Ford, like. Holland, meh. Honda, like. Hummer, love. Aston Martin, love. Nissan, like. Hyundai, uh, like. Volkswagen, like. Chevrolet, meh. Alfa Romeo, love. I'll put, I think it's fine. Infinity, like. Lancia, like. Jaguar, love. Jeep, like. Lamborghini, love. What's this? DC, I think. DC, it's like. If that's DC. Oh, Lotus, meh. Maserati, love. Mazda, meh. Mercedes Benz, love. Mitsubishi, meh. BMW, love. Pagani, like. Peugeot, it's meh. Porsche, love. Rolls Royce, love. Lexus, repeated. Still, this I'll put meh and Toyota like. Yeah. So this is my list. Subscribe to my channel and give this video like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.